Welcome back to the famous Room channel. Sibling goals. Little People Big World alum Audrey Roloff revealed the adorable nickname Ember gave her little brother Bode on a new episode of their behind-the-scenes podcast, and it will totally melt your heart. The former TLC star dished about life as a mother of two while sharing updates about her family dynamic. "I keep calling him my angel baby, and now Ember calls him, 'Oh, you angel baby Bode, you angel baby. He's just so sweet,'" the 28-year-old shared about her bundle of joys. As fans may recall, the star gave birth to her second child, shared with husband Jeremy Roloff on January 8th. The doting daddy also shared a cute story on the podcast, revealing he was holding Ember's hand the other night to help her fall asleep. When the baby started making noise in the other room, Ember sweetly asked if he needed to go check on Bode. "It's clear Ember's getting very close with her little brother. So how is Otter doing these days?" "I'm feeling pretty good," she dished. "Bode is now 2 months old, which is wild. He's super healthy. He's a big old milk dud," the father of two, 29, sweetly added about their son. Unfortunately, it hasn't been all smooth sailing for the author, but she's learning to adapt as she goes. "Also got Mastitis for the 4th time yesterday," Audrey revealed on February 17th. "But you could say I'm a professional at fighting this beast now." She previously opened up about her health issues on social media after welcoming her daughter Ember in September 2017. "It took me a solid 2 months, maybe 2.5 months, before I really started to see an increase in my supply and breastfeeding became a lot easier." Audrey shared about how she coped with a painful infection in her breast tissue. Since then, the former LPBW star has reflected on how much her reality has changed. "It really is so crazy to me still. Like a family of 4? What the heck?" she responded to a fan in February 2020. "We're wishing them all the best."